This is a schematic view of a treatment tank, which can be waterproofed and protected in accordance with the following well-established Vandex technique. The horizontal and vertical construction joints can be coated with Vandex Super, or waterproofed with the hydrophilic waterstop Vandex Expaseal. A riglet can be routed out in existing joints, which is then filled with Vandex mortar. 2 coats of Vandex Super are applied to the slab and walls after appropriate preparation of the internal surfaces of the tank. In practice, careful substrate preparation is very important. The substrate must be clean and sound. Voids, cracks, and leaks have to be repaired in advance. The concrete must be thoroughly pre-wetted before Vandex products are applied. Vandex Super can be applied with a fine mortar spray gun. A fine and easily cleaned surface is attained by spraying using a hopper gun. There are many treatment tanks and sewage concrete structures and members needing refurbishing. This treatment tank exhibits typical crack damage caused by reinforcement corrosion and concrete spalling. The first stage is treatment of the exposed and cleaned reinforcement with Vandex Corrosion Protection M and reprofiling the substrate with Vandex Unimortar 1Z or with Vandex CRS Repair Mortar. To fill blowholes and voids, the entire internal surface of the tank gets a rough rendering with Vandex Unimortar 1Z, followed by coating with Vandex Super or Vandex BB75Z to protect against further concrete damage. Here we see a treatment tank under refurbishment. Damaged areas in the structural concrete are reprofiled. After rendering the entire surface, Vandex BB75Z, in this case, is sprayed as a protective layer to prevent further concrete damage. A fine mortar spray gun allows correct and efficient application of 2 protective layers of Vandex BB75Z or Vandex Super. The Vandex is sprayed at a pressure of about 15 bar measured at the hose using a 6 mm diameter nozzle.